I'm not even a makeup guru, so what am I doing? Like, Hi guys, what's up? It's Nika with FashionNica, and as you can tell, I am not wearing any makeup right now, and that is because we are doing the No Makeup Mirror Challenge. No mirror makeup challenge. So I received this box from Almay and I'm really excited to use it. I don't even know if I should be testing out the products when I can't even like see it on my face, but whatever, it just came in the mail, so I figured why not try it out. And then I have like all my other makeup goodies in here. I have like no hand-eye coordination, so I don't even know. And I promise I won't even look in the viewfinder. This is gonna be very challenging. Anyways, let's get started. We're gonna start off with the easy stuff first. Got my Burt's Bees. This is the only thing I'm gonna be good at. We're gonna go in with my Dirty Ass Beauty Blender and my Tarte foundation, the one I've been using for years. I'm very competitive, so I feel like I really want this to look like a masterpiece. Oh gosh, I have some on my nose. Okay, now I have a blemish around here. All right, we're off to a good start, I think. This part isn't really the hardest. It's really like the eyeliner part that I'm so terrified for. All right, next up we're gonna be doing brows. Anastasia Beverly Hills. How am I supposed to do this? Okay. Oh my god, I have to go out like this after. Okay. Oh my god, you guys. What am I doing with my life? Oh, and this is how I do brows, by the way. Yes. Oh my god. This is so hard! Have you guys ever played the pin the tail on the donkey? This is literally how I'm feeling right now. Oh my god. The thing is, I have my brows microbladed, but they're fading, so it's like I really don't have that much brows anymore. If I just believe in myself, I feel like it's gonna end up looking really slain. I just need the brows to be on fleek. Oh god, no, that's my eye. Okay. It's gonna end up looking like Cara Delevingne, I just know it. Slay. Okay, next up we're gonna use my little Naked palette. I kinda wanna do something different, so let's just do like, I don't know, gray? Like the corner of your eye. Nice, nice. I like this technique that I have going on, like just feeling for it. There we go. This was, oh, that's my finger. I wish you guys could talk to me right now. How does that look? Okay. Well, next we're gonna use the Almay Pegasus. It matches my nails. I'm obsessed with this color right now. Wow. Shimmer. Yes. These are 4 different colors. I'm guessing you just kind of mix it all. I don't know why, but this is causing me so much anxiety, the fact that I can't see like what I'm doing right now. I can add a little bit of sparkle. Okay, this is my inner corner. Okay, this I feel like I could do a slaying job at. Okay. I'm so nervous right now. I don't even want to look. Okay, this is what I've been fearing the entire time. Also, don't ask me what eyeliner this is because I don't know. And it's not even that good, so like, just trust. Total concentration here. Oh no, I blinked and I feel like it... Why is this so hard? Okay, you know what? No, I'm gonna put powder on and then I'll go back to this. I'm just so nervous. This is like taking a test and for sure failing. Stay Matte Rimmel powder. It gets hella messy, by the way. This one, I can control this. This is easy stuff. I feel like that's good. Yeah? Yeah. Back to eyeliner. Oh, no. There we go. Oh, nope. There we go. Second try. I am very proud of myself that I'm even hitting the eye. All I had to do is cover it up with a bunch of mascara, right? I think this will be okay. Okay, that seems about right. I've just accepted that this is gonna be a fail. Slay! Contour time. This one. It's fine. Like if I don't entirely blend it in, I'll just look like extra skinnier, I guess, if that's how contour works, right? I'm not even a makeup guru, so what am I doing? Like, contour? What is that? We're gonna use this kabuki brush, and we're gonna blend away. I actually don't even look at the mirror when I do this, so this is natural. Oh, it smells so good. It is a sample of the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. But honestly, you guys, I got this sample like a year ago. There's still a lot, so works. Like, Almay Make Them Jelly Highlighter. So it's a highlighter, I guess. Oh. Oh my god! It smells like those jelly things that I collected when I was younger. This is such a nostalgic smell for me. It's so shiny. What am I supposed to do with this? Why is this a jelly? Whoa. Put it like this? Question mark. Okay, I guess put it at the top of your cheeks. Highlight your life. What is this? This is so interesting. Like it's a gel, but then it kind of dissolves. I think it's dissolving. Is it prominent? Maybe it'll give me that dewy look. It's like a gooey goop of gel. Should I go in with Anastasia highlighter still? Or is this like really shiny? Because I can't tell. You guys will be able to tell. So tell me if I should. You have 3 seconds. I should? Okay, I guess I'll be extra. Okay, I can't find my Anastasia, so I'm gonna use Hearts Elf collab. I think this is enough. Blind you with my highlight. I like this because it feels like it's kind of blending out the highlight too. Maybe that's doing something. This isn't a curling one. What do you call this? Oh my god, eyelash curler. This is gonna be easy. Ow! Ow! Okay, there we go. We're going in with my NYX Abu Dhabi. Yes, it is broken like this because I sat on it, but it's still my favorite lip gloss. Okay, this is easy. I feel like I did a good job on this. Okay, moment of truth. I'm going to look in the mirror, and I don't know if I'm gonna like what I see. Okay, this is not that bad. It kind of just looks like what my face looks like at the end of the day when I'm like really tired and like I rub my eyes. Look at that highlight though. I love this highlighter. Really glowing and dewy. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, you can. Oh my god, that highlighter is purple. It looks really good. Eyeliner I'm actually really proud of because that was really hard. Brows are actually not even bad too. It kind of just looks like I did them when I was rushed. Like, for some reason, I thought that my eyes were gonna be green. I don't even see green anywhere, really, ever, at all. I think I did a good job. Definitely think I still wouldn't go out in public like this, but I'm gonna have to anyways because it's like 2 p.m. and you know, I should probably do something with my life. I'm gonna go edit this video at a coffee shop. I'll take you guys along with me and see how people react. They're probably just gonna like think in their head like she really sucks at makeup. But you know full well when I said coffee I meant boba. So I'm getting some boba. Can I get the chocolate milk tea please? So I've just bumped into my friend Paolo.
Hi, how you doing?
Okay, I know you're a boy, but do you notice anything different or weird about my face? Like, you can be honest.
I mean,
from a boy's perspective.
I don't remember you having like sort of freckles. That's new.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
How about like my makeup? Like, what do you think of it?
It's not too heavy. It's pretty nice. Did you put a lot on? Is that like the? Okay.
This is so funny. Or no mirror makeup challenge today, and so I didn't look at myself in the mirror at all.
Okay, see now that you tell me, I'm looking a lot harder. Could be worse.
All right. Okay.
Could be worse. It's pretty solid. Eyeliner is like a little bit uneven.
This guy. I know.
Brows are a little more full on one side, but like it's pretty solid. If I ran into you and we were just like passing by, or like, if you hadn't brought it up, I wouldn't have said it. Because I wasn't really like looking for it.
Oh, okay, okay.
But then when you brought it up, I was like,
wait.
Yeah.
Alright, there you have it folks. I feel like this was a win for this challenge. So proud. Be sure to subscribe and like this video if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!